present simple, the verb to be. We use the present simple form of the verb to be to talk about people, things, or situations in the present. The verb to be has 3 forms: am, is, and are. We use them to talk about who we are, where we are, how we feel, and how we describe people and things. Here's how we form the verb to be. We put the subject first, followed by the correct form of the verb to be. I am, you are. He is, she is, it is. We are, you are, they are. Now let's look at some examples. I am tired. She is tall. We are friends. You can also use the short form. I'm, you're, he's, she's, it's, we're, you're, they're. We can also say, I'm tired. She's tall. We're friends. To form the negative, we use the subject, the verb to be, and not. I am not. I'm not. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. You are not. You aren't. We are not. We aren't. They are not. They aren't. Now let's look at some examples. It is not my pen. It isn't my pen. They are not students. They aren't students. To make a question with the verb to be, just start the sentence with the verb to be and then add the subject pronoun. Am I? Are you? Is she? Is he? Is it? Are you? Are we? Are they? Are you Alex? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Look at the positive answer. You start with yes, then add a comma, the subject pronoun, and the correct form of the verb to be. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, she is. Yes, he is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Now look at the negative answer. You start with no, then add a comma, the subject pronoun, the form of the verb to be, and not. No, I'm not. No, you aren't. No, she isn't. No, he isn't. No, it isn't. No, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. It's practice time. Complete the conversations. Fill in the blanks with the correct words.
Hi, I'm Lily.
Hi, Lily. I'm Emma.
Hi, are you a new student?
Yes, I am.
Where is Dad?
He is at work. Who are they?
They're my friends.